Okay, I wanted to show you guys what I have for breakfast every day. It's an Italian traditional. I actually not sure if they even have this at breakfast. I think it is breakfast. Maybe it's lunch. I don't know. But I have it for breakfast because it's a excuse me, high protein energy boost. So I have my double espresso cup. This is a bigger espresso cup than normal, but I like it. I like to have a big cup of espresso. And then I have my sweetener, which is a stevia sweetener. This is my favorite brand. It's really nice because it actually has granules, kind of like, real sugar. It actually tastes like real sugar. It's very, very good. No calories. Then I have my egg, which I'm going to separate and put the whites in here. And then I use the whites for cooking, for other stuff. And my little spoon, my whisk. And I do use half of one of these, so it's not quite a teaspoon. It's a little espresso spoon. I fill it halfway with the sugar in the raw, because I find I did try whisking it with just the stevia and it did not work as well. So this is how I figured out the best way to do it for the lowest amount of sugar intake. So I'll just get started here.